So in this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about this new bot. Okay, so basically, the way it works, I don't want to say it's like a perfect bot, okay, but I think there is some sense into it. So when you turn it on, okay, so this is an EMA currently, right? But you can actually go for any type of MA you like, period, and ATR multiplier for the offsets. Kind of build a Bollinger, right, but with an ATR, okay? And so whenever the bars touch inside the tube, right, it's sort of considered to be, in some sort of turbulence zone, right? And the bars get colored orange. Okay, if other than that, they're all green or red. Okay, and when the bot is on, and let's say if we're in long mode, so I could turn it on. Right now it's in non-mode, but let's say that I kind of believe that, let's say we're going to be continuing going up for some reason, okay, which is probably a bit too late at this point in my opinion, but maybe just for the purpose of demonstration. But anyway, basically the signal is going to be this color change from orange to green is going to go long. Okay, now if you can close the position manually, or it will close whenever you get an orange bar, right? That's if exit is on, but you can turn the exit off and then you're free to do whatever you want. Okay, you can also set break even at some point, so whenever you feel that you want to secure your position, just press break even and it will actually put a break even entry price plus one tick order, okay, which comes in pretty handy. Okay, and pretty much that's it. After that, you can just manually interact with the strategy. So I'm going to pause the video and come back when when there's maybe a better point to enter. I just think this is a bit too late now. Probably lose money if I try to enter, because it's kind of back to this level. So I'll probably wait for a while. So you can see it's coming down. Okay, so let's maybe try a long opportunity here. I don't know. See, it goes in long. Okay. So I'm gonna secure the position with the stop loss now at break even. Okay, and let's see if it takes me anywhere. It'll probably exit now, but who knows? Maybe it'll go up. Okay, so it didn't really lose anything. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. Shall I give it another chance? Well, if this one's going to be an orange bar. So it doesn't look like it's... Well, it doesn't look like it. Even if this bar goes up, it's still going to be an orange bar. Anyway, let's give it another chance. But I would rather go short here, but it's just not going down either, so I can never actually do it like this. So whichever way it goes now, I'm quite happy to take the chance. Excuse me. Okay, probably not the first time it goes short. It'll actually make some sort of move. Okay, but it does feel like a pretty cool way to interact with the market in this sort of fashion. And you can come up with all sorts of other interesting signals and play around with this sort of. Let's see how this goes. Okay, sort of stuck in the channel. Probably. I have a feeling it's actually going to go down. Let's wait for a little while. Excuse me. I'm going to pause. Well, actually, so this time the exit occurred due to the orange change. Okay, I didn't have time to press break even, so I actually made a little loss. Okay, so let's see what goes on. It's actually going to the other side now. Excuse me. Let's see if I actually turned off long now. I don't want to go long anymore. Looks like this is sort of out, but maybe not. Let's keep it back on. You never know with this. Okay, here we are. It's not gonna play a bad joke on me, is it? One more time. Okay, it did. I lost $10. Whatever. Okay, so that was like two losses in a row. It's gonna go this time. Okay, this time you see it didn't even make. So there's like 3 green bars here, 2 green bars here, no green bars here at all. Well, might as well just go now. It doesn't want to go up. Has to get out to some direction. This thing can't stay here forever, can it? So that's either gonna go up, or it's gonna come back down to here. Okay. I will believe that it should actually go down. Okay. I got both directions on anyway. I don't want to miss this one. It's been consolidating for quite a while, so there should be a rush. Should be a rush out at some point. Okay, so we're short. Let's see if this one doesn't play around us. Come on. Maybe not from the first go, but it should go. I'm gonna secure this one. You know, I can take the order down, put it back in, take it down, you know. Okay, yeah, it's going. And I'm gonna keep it in. Just thinking to add another button which is gonna trail by a bar. So like bang, 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 you know. Might be a pretty cool piece of functionality as well. I just want to keep it at break even for now. I have a feeling we might have another swing down. So I'm gonna get my $60 back. Okay, look at that. No man, come on. Yeah, sure. Okay, whatever. Well, maybe another go for a short from here. I don't want to go long anymore. So should have taken that profit here. Maybe I should modernize this spot to be used with 2 positions or something. Okay, this one didn't work out either. That, come on. Okay, last trade for today. Not the best day, I guess. Don't want to lose anymore. Wonder if this one's gonna be orange. Should have, you know. Let's see if I get an orange bar now. That'd be great. Because it feels like it's just gonna fall in. Might need to add a button that will go in. You know, now, because now will be a good point to, you know, jump in. So I could just sell market, but this is not going to be a strategy position, unfortunately. All right, so even if I press close, or whatever, it's not gonna work. You see? So this stuff is not really related to whatever. Yeah. Well, let's see how this one plays out, and if I get above this mid line here, I'm done for today with this guy. Give it a chance to prove me wrong. Strategy position. Yeah, the strategy added on to this. Okay. I see. So one will probably get close. I'm going to turn the exit off now. It looks like it is kind of going down, you know, bit by bit. But again, I'm shutting this if we break this line. But it does look like I might be making a bit of a go, and maybe until at least this point here. So how much share should I give this one? Okay, doesn't really want to break through the support here. Fighting this level. What is this? Okay, it looks like it went through it, but still. It's gonna open another position for me now. Yeah, it's gonna scale in a little bit more. You see how I turned the exit off, so I still have my one position for the strategy, two positions for the account. Okay. So that's not very interesting. What it's doing. See, the thing is now, if it's going to give me another signal, it's already has a strategy position, so it won't scale in more. I just wanted to give a little. Come on. It's going down, but no. Like, whoa, which way are you? Okay, goodbye. That's it. Okay. What is happening here? Look at. Did you see that? What was that all about? It's going crazy. Look at that volatility. Up and down suddenly. Okay. What a change of mood here. Oh god. So that's gonna break out from here, I guess. Or no. So it finally started to go in my direction, and I'm done for this.